You gotta be one deranged ass dude to torture and kill someone to a soundtrack. And he's dancing. Yo! Oh my god, is that his no, that's his ear. I think.
Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back.
I'm so sorry for the policeman. The mental torture when you know that this guy's just messing up and the worst is just yet to come. He's insane, insane. Oh! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah! Sound! Still there.
Hey, what's going on?
Ah!
You ever listen to K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s?
Oof. What, is he gonna dance?
Gonna dance? What the heck? What he's gonna do?
Oh, it's gonna take his eye out!
Oh,
Wait, dog!
he's here! It's dangerous, man.
What a song to torture someone to. It's definitely a Tarantino movie. Oh man, I like how they just kind of cut away, or panned away. Oh, took his ear? Ew.
Hey, what's going on? You hear that?
This guy's such a lunatic.
Hey man, I know he is sick, but man, this is funny right here. Hey, he feeling himself. Where you cut him at?
Hold still. Hold still.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I got a beard! Oh, he's a sick motherfucker.
For you as it was for me. Hey, what's going on? You hear that?
He really cut this motherfucker ear off, man.
Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back.
And this is the good luck charm. This motherfucker cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. 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 Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
You ever listen to K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s? Hey, what's going on? You hear that? You ever listen to K. Billy's
No.
Super Sounds of the 70s?
Oh no, he got a razor blade out. Oh.
That's my personal favorite.
I hate it.
What's that sound you're making?
Ah! I love this
Oh,
song. This is gonna ruin
no.
this song for me. Oh my
Oh
god.
my!
What
He's
is
doing a Ric
happening
Flair.
tonight?
He's doing a Ric Flair.
Feeling that something ain't right.
Are you dancing to a police officer about to get tortured?
My chair. It would be the better way to die.
Wow.
Yes. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, middle with you.
Wow, symbolism. Stuck in the middle with you. Oh shit! Did he just cut him?
I don't know.
Baby, watch. Baby, watch. Baby, watch. Oh shit! Just watch.
I can't.
He goes hold still.
Clowns to the left of me.
Imagine writing this song
Oh my
and it
God.
being famous for this scene.
Oh my.
Imagine.
He's just cut.
His ear. Oh my god. He just cut his ear off.
Hey, what's going on?
He's talking to the ear.
This is my top thing I've ever seen.
Stuck in the middle with you. Oh my god.
What the fuck? He's absolutely out of it, dude. Dude, he is such a psychopath, by God. Oh, God. Oh, his ear! Ah! Dude! Dude, if that guy wasn't pissed off before, man.
Hey, what's going on?
Like dancing around with a straight razor, like, is he cutting off his face?
I don't know. I didn't expect it to be like this for this. Oh, his ear.
Oh!
Hey, what's going on? You hear that? Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back.
Oh my God, what a song to do that scene to.
Yo, imagine somebody about to torture you and they're doing this before. That's fucking terrifying. Stuck in the middle with you. Oh no. How is he gonna explain, oh, I cut his ear off, by the way, while you guys were out?
Oh my gosh. Look at those moves. Ooh! Oh, the music and oh my god! Oh, what is he doing? 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 Oh! Is that his ear?
Was that as good for you as it was for me?
Oh man! Wow, that's messed up. Oh my gosh! Yeah, I think he's got a little bit of a.
You ever listen to K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s?
Wow, this guy. Oh my God. He's getting closer. He's getting closer. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah, what is he doing? Oh. Oh my God.
Hey, what's going on? You hear that? Was that as good for you as it was for me? Hey, what's going on? You hear that?